Elon Musk hosted Meme Review together with Justin Roiland. But what is Justin Roiland known for? He's a world record swimmer? Is he a Twitch streamer? Does he have 10 wives? Or is it Pickle Rick? This should be a fairly easy question. I feel like you could probably guess yourself into this. He's not famous for having 10 wives. He is indeed Pickle Rick. He does the voice for Rick and Rick and Morty. Almost everyone got that. 30 people thought that he's known for having 10 wives. That's nice. Wife's probably not too happy about that. The answer is Germany. That was the answer. 720 people got that. Good job. Boom. Look at the total score right now. Stormblood still up ahead. Smickbones second. Satisfaction third. Deadly Llama fell off. Oh no. I was right on accident, Lil W. Final results. Fire Station 69. Shout out to Sinris for the second place, 10 Minute Days for the third place. Monjuli, Oscaro, good job, guys. Which place did you guys get in? 492? 97? Nice, top 100, good job. I will be VIPing Fire Station. Boom, right there. Enjoy your fancy badge, my dude. You were 36, good job.